Cancer is one of the most dreadful diseases in the world today. There are several different types of cancer, like skin cancer, breast cancer, among others. All these cancer types exhibit a unique biological property. Cancer cells divide and multiply at an alarming rate, at a rate much higher than normal human cells do. Since cancer cells divide so rapidly, they are always in a state of hunger. They are always hungry. They need more food. Cancer cells' favorite food is glucose. Cancer cells take in the glucose via proteins called glucose transporters. Glucose transporter proteins are expressed on the surface of cancer cells. So once inside the cell, glucose is metabolized and used as a source of chemical energy, which is then used for performing various biological functions that ensure growth and survival of cancer cells. Since more than 75% of real-time human tumors are known to be addicted to glucose, targeting glucose transport becomes an attractive anti-cancer strategy. And here comes in my research. Currently, I am working on a novel class of compounds called glucose transporter inhibitors. As the name suggests, the compounds inhibit the uptake of glucose inside cancer cell. The compound that I am working currently is called DRB18. Now, the mechanism of action of DRB18 is very simple. Glucose transporter protein is like a channel. It's a small piece of pipe which is open on both the ends. So what happens is glucose comes from outside, goes into the channel, and comes inside cancer cells. So what DRB18 does, it goes and blocks the transporter protein. So once the channel is blocked, the glucose cannot come in. And since there is no glucose, there is no energy, and the cancer cells simply die, as shown in the cell in green. Now the acceptability of this compound, DRB18, is justified by three biological properties. The compound is stable for a duration of 24 hours under physiological condition, and it does not degrade easily. Secondly, the compound is not toxic to normal cells, even at dosages 5 times as high as normal recommended therapeutic dosage, which is very important. The safety of a pharmaceutical drug is very essential. And thirdly, the compound has shown potency against the major known cancer types, which includes lung cancer, the most common cancer among American males, breast cancer, the most common cancer among American females. Now, based on these impressive results, I would like to continue my research on DRB18 in future and test its potency on mice models of cancer. Now, these mice models better represent the actual human tumor environment. Thank you for your time.